up, y'all? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing good today. I don't have much to say. Let me get straight to that video. I've been growing my hair for like almost 2 years, as I mentioned in my first video. Like it's been like one year and a couple months or so. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm gonna look at my old pictures and stuff, and then yeah. So firstly, what you're gonna need, these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna shampoo, you're gonna need moisturizing thingy, oil and stuff, and you're gonna need these motherfuckers. So this, let me start with this shampoo. This is black castor oil. This is black castor oil, sulfate free. You get the picture. I'm gonna put a picture here, but this I've been using this, you feel me? And ever since I started using this, I haven't been getting any buildup or anything of that nature. So everything is good on my hair. So I wash my hair like 3 times a week. Yeah, 3 times a week, unless I was playing soccer or some shit. And then now I was playing soccer, now I have to wash my hair. I don't have a choice. So it depends on how my week is going, you feel me? But 3 times a week. 3 times a week, I wash my hair 3 times a week. And ever since I started using that thing, I haven't been having any build-up or anything like that nature, you feel me? So after washing the hair, you feel me? This is where this truecam in hand, you feel me? It's like castor oil and stuff. So with these, you're gonna need them for like, you're gonna section your hair out and stuff, you feel me? Like this type shit. And then okay, I recently got a cut. Okay, not recently, but like, nonetheless. So this is where it's gonna come in. You're gonna okay, but yeah, you're gonna apply the oil. I already applied it, so you're gonna apply the oil on your thingy, on your scalp after sectioning everything out. Yeah, you're gonna apply it on your scalp and everything. I don't wanna apply it because it's at night and yeah. So yeah, oh yeah. Okay, regarding lint, right? Regarding lint, I used to have it, but I don't have it anymore. I had to comb it up and comb it out and all of that stuff. If you want to avoid lint, just change your bed sheets like regularly, like on some like I don't know what's regularly, but I change mine like every week. So it's like wash it, change it, use it, wash it, type shit. You feel me? So yeah, also I don't have it and I can't recommend it, but if you have a bonnet, then that's good. You feel me? So you can also use a bonnet for avoiding lint and all of that stuff. You feel me? So yeah, I think that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Did I miss anything?